Hello everyone, my name is Tenzin Dundul and I am from Tolpo, and today I am happy for getting this opportunity to share some of the informations about indices. And here now we are going to learn about the meaning of indices. Indices is the plural form of index, thus the index refers to the power to which a number is raised. You can look even at the example. Before starting this chapter, we have to learn some laws of indices. So the first law of indices is product law. For this, a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. For this case, power get added where m and n are positive integers. For the second, we have a quotient law. If a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, the result will be a to the power m minus n when m is greater than n. If a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, the result will be 1 by a to the power n minus m if n is greater than m. So we have to focus on the power. So for the third, we have a power law. A to the power m has another power n, which is equals to a to the power m into n, and ab to the whole power m is equals to a to the power m into b to the power n, and a by b to the power whole m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Now we have a negative law. If a has a negative power m, which is equals to 1 by a to the power positive m, and if a to the power m is equals to 1 by a to the power negative m. Now we are going to deal with the law of zero index. Let's say a to the power 0 is equals to 1, 1000 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and x to the power 0 equals to 1. Now the last law is root law. A to the power m under root n is equals to a to the power m by n. Now I am going to solve this question with using all the laws of indices. So here it goes. Now we know there is a numerator 125 and denominator 64, which is a cube root of 5 and 4. So we can put cube on both the number and copy the remaining one same as the previous. And again we know 25 is a square root of 5 and 4 is the square of 2, so we can copy the rest. Now we see there is a common cube, so we can take the common cube and we can keep this out of the box, out of the bracket, and here you need to write the into, since this comes from within the bracket, this is out of bracket, so we need to multiply with the whole power. We can again take the common and multiply with the whole power. Now what we have to do is we have to cancel 3 and the remaining is minus 1, and we have another whole square, and same like we have to cancel this as well, and the remaining is 5 by 2 to the power negative 1. Now if I told you before that if there is a negative power, we have to reciprocal the base, so that denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. They have to change its position, so we don't need to write this bracket, since we already solved this problem. We remove this negative, we can bring the square. Now as I already told earlier that we have to reciprocal if the power is negative 1.
Now here you see there is a clear number, so we have to convert this square into the number. 4 4 is 16 and 5 5 is 25 divided by 2 by 5. Now what we have to do is we cannot cancel by make remaining the divide as it is, so we have to convert this divide into multiply. If we convert this divide into multiply, we have to change the place of numerator and denominator of the number beside this sign. So what we can do is we can cancel with the 8 and this with the 5, so we got the answer 8 by 5.
So at the end, I would like to thank Ejalo Academy for providing us this great platform to build up our extra skill during this pandemic time, and hope you all have enjoyed watching this video.